Alright, we got a little bit of hail coming down here. Boy, it's coming down harder too. Here, look out. Come on now. Woo! Boy, this stuff is coming down. Up at Grace Church. It's always taking a beating. Man, a lot is coming all the way up here. Look at this. You like it, dude? Wow. Holy moly, this is amazing. I have not seen hail like this in a long, long time.